right now I'm gonna take a second here and show you how to repair these hand controls. So I've stripped all the coating off. This green wire actually is in here as well. So I've taken that off, and it's this green wire here that was detached. It actually goes inside here and is attached to the horn button. So what we need to do is take this apart and see where this is detached in there. So I'm sure there's a little spring in there from that for that button, so be careful it doesn't go flying out on you. I don't think it will, but okay, so we just dropped it out. Now here's the part that the wire is detached from. So there is a little spring down in there. Let me dump that out. So let me just show you how this works. Pretty small, so you can see there. You can see down in here when you press this button, it hits that contact in there, and that green wire is attached right here, and it obviously is broken off. So we're going to take this out. And we're going to solder this green wire back onto there. First thing I'm going to do is trim it back a little bit, get some fresh wire on it. I don't need much. I don't want a bunch of wire hanging out because it just gives it opportunity to touch something, and if it touches something, your horn's going to blow and you're not pressing the button. So you can see I got probably an eighth of an inch sticking out, maybe a little bit more. So I'm going to take my part here and I'm going to get that old wire off of it. Soldering iron I should say, and just heat it up and take it off. I'm take my green wire, and what I got a fresh pack of solder for this here. I like this solder because it's flux core, and it usually has enough solder in there to do good. So first thing I'm going to do is put a little dab on the wire itself. Part of the problem is my desk is metal, so now pull it away from the bit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is cut a little piece of this shrink tubing. Get these little shrink tubing kits just about anywhere. Slide it over. I'm going to go right down to the end on this. There we go. I'm a firm believer in doing things right the first time. So we need to put our spring back on. Slide our brand new soldered button, slide it into place. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, fits like a glove. Okay, and we're going to, this is actually part of the switch it's used to make the ground. Now what I'll do is get this shrink wrap, and you can get this stuff at AutoZone. This is actually too small, so I need to get some bigger stuff, and I'll slide all my cables together, and slide a new one over all four of them, and shrink it down. Finish this up. Alright, that's how to repair your Honda handlebar switches. So thanks for watching, and once again, this is Joe at the Oval Cog, and there's Greg. Say what's up, Greg.
Hey, what's up?
And thanks for watching, and have a good day.